Let me rap for you. Every day, let me rap for you.
Please now, let me rap.
I don't wanna. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. When I give me back up now.
Which back up?
Did I hear when I gotta. I heard that. I heard.
What's up with you?
Okay, girl.
What's up with this grand excitement?
Girls,
is it a grand business deal? Because I've never seen it before.
Signed, sealed, and almost delivered. Is this a grand business deal? Because I don't understand why you're this excited.
My girl, you're too sharp. You get sense. Your mama born you well.
I know. I know.
Okay, thing is, it is grand.
Okay.
There you were right. But it's not a business deal. So you were wrong.
Okay.
It's not a business deal. So it's not money. And I'm thinking, what else could make you this excited if it's not money?
Yes.
Or, because the only thing that I know that can get you this excited is money. So do we say that you just got a ticket to heaven without dying first?
My friendship.
I like that one.
You too get sense.
I like that one.
You enter class.
Tell me.
Okay, girls, the thing is, I sort of just got a ticket to go to heaven without dying.
Just see the gist
What?
now. See the gist. Stop. Go the drag gist.
Let her have her time. Just allow her.
Yeah,
Allow her.
They spoil the gist now. You don't get sense.
I'm quiet.
Shut up.
I'm quiet. I will not hear again.
So as I was saying before this tortoise interrupted, I am going to heaven, but I am not going alone. I am going with somebody's son. I am going to the altar with Andy. Can't you go see my hands? Are you fucking kidding me? Andy just proposed. Hey!
Wait,
Choke.
Wait now, Sonia, wait. Let me see.
Take a good look at it. Did you like?
Sonia, are you saying that Andy just proposed to you?
I beg, I speak Spanish just Nana. Andy say make I marry him. And I accepted. I said yes.
And you accepted.
Hey. Okay, girls, what is going on here? There is no excitement coming from you girls. You girls should be happy for me. Okay, I get it. I need you to understand that it's not what it used to be at the beginning. I am deeply in love with this man. I love him. In fact, I walked and prayed for this relationship to become possible. But the best part of it is that I am pregnant. My friend, I get belly. What? Girls, what's going on? Why is there no excitement on your faces? Girls, you guys know Andy is the only son. And of course, he is super duper happy about this news. And I expect you guys to be happy about it for me too. Please get that looks off your face and rejoice with me. What? Go bring some smoke now. Make it. Okay, sorry, I get belly. I forget.
How dare you? How dare you treat me with such disrespect? How dare you?
I mean, I do not understand what you're mad at here. I mean, for the past 3 minutes I got in here, you've been raving, screaming. Can you just come clearer?
You fucked me. You fucked me mercilessly here. And then you went ahead to propose to my best friend without informing me. Oh. That's an insult.
Oh,
that's an insult to me. You're smiling.
Oh, that. Well, I never knew that a lady like you who got a man into bed with her like you did to and with me would deserve a prior information. Forgive me. Forgive me. I'm a fool. Forgive my ignorance on that, girl.
You are still insulting me. No, you're talking about seducing and deceiving into bed. Is Sonia any different? different?
How do you mean?
Is she any different?
How do you mean?
Is she?
How do you mean, please?
Is she any different? Is she?
What? That's a lie.
It's nothing but the truth. She's playing you. She was playing you. She is still playing you. She doesn't love you. She doesn't deserve you. Someone else does. Someone else does.
She doesn't love me. She's been playing me. She does not love me. She doesn't respect me. Someone else does. Who does? Who?
Me. I love you. I love you with every fiber of my being. I love you with every muscle in my heart. I love you. I will do anything to be called your wife. Me. So, call off the engagement with Sonia and marry me. She's worse. She's worse. She's not who she says she is.
Forward the voice note you just spoke to me. Forward it to my phone.
Are you going to
Listen, forward it first if you want me to consider what you just said.
It's done.
Alright. Thank you.
So, are you going to marry me?
But first of all, do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my body, my body. One litre, one litre, one litre, one litre, one litre, one litre.
She was playing you. She is still playing you. She doesn't love you. She doesn't deserve you. Someone else does. Someone else does.
She doesn't love me. She's been playing me. She does not love me. She doesn't respect me. Someone else does. Who does? Who?
Me.
I guess you did not know this part of the setup before now. Right?
What do you want?
What do I want? I just want you to know the truth. I mean, for a man, taking a decision as such as this, like choosing a life partner, should be a very careful one. It should be based on truths and not deceit, not sexual manipulation.
So, what do you advise I do?
Call off the engagement. Look for a lady who is truthful, who is trustworthy, who is more deserving of you, and get married to her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, assuming I decide to choose you after calling off the engagement to Sonia, what would I say is your reason for sleeping with me? I mean, love? Another case of deceit or sexual manipulation?
Do you want to know the truth? I am deeply in love with you. Like, I have fallen hard for you. I respect you so much.
I'll get back to you when I am done with Sonia.
What does that mean, baby? Are you saying that you're considering leaving her for me already?
I choose to answer the question with silence for now. No slight intended, my dear. All right?
The hustle is
the engagement. Look for a lady who is truthful, who is trustworthy, who is more deserving of you, and get married to her.
Jesus. What? Is Andy mad? What is wrong with Andy? Jesus. Wait. Oh, God. Wait. God. Andy, don't kill me. Andy has finished me. So everything I discussed with this guy in this room, he was recording it. How? This guy is... Oh my God. Jeez. So after I told him what he did this morning, and this is how he could pay me back to share this with Sonia. Gosh, this guy has finished me. This guy has finished me. God, where's Sonia? If Sonia gets me here, I am done for. If Sonia gets me here, I am finished. I need to run. Where's my bag? I need to pack my things. Wait, watch. No, I didn't say. Watch, no, I didn't say.
A fist of ore. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my body.
Go inside my house. Go inside. If I don't know what to do, listen, if you move from my Where is she? Where is that idiot? God, who asked you to open it? Did I ask you to open it? Who asked you to open it? Who asked you to open the gate? What is your opinion wherever you are? David! I said go and lock the gate!
Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my body.
You have been sleeping with Andy too?
Yeah. And the fool recorded everything. He recorded everything and had the guts to show it to Sonia. Sonia of all people. How dumb can he be?
But you laced his drink with steroid to get into bed with him, didn't you?
Didn't you do the same thing, girl? Did you not do the same thing to his food? You did it and you confessed to it. It was there in the video that we just watched. So what are you saying? Don't even try to judge me here.
Has gotten over us. Well, how are we like this? How are we this way? How in God's name are we going to handle this situation before it gets out of hand and consume everything that we have worked so hard to build? Our friends, our family, our reputation, everything. No. This cannot happen now. No, we can just lose everything just like that now. This cannot happen to us now, babe. Check them now. This cannot happen. What do? We have to do something. This cannot happen to us. This cannot happen. Gosh. You need to see Sonia's face. You need to see Sonia's face when we managed to escape the cop, and she was angry. She was ready to burn everything to the ground. So if you don't act fast, that's exactly what she's going to do. If you don't act fast.
Act fast. Act fast, you say. Act fast. The only person I know that can save this situation right now is Andy. Andy can save the situation, but after what he has done, can he do it? Because he would not want to see our faces or even listen to us.
You know, I don't care. I don't care if it's the devil that we have to seek to for help. I don't care. This is a dirty, nasty scandal. I hate scandals. I don't like scandals. I don't like scandals. So I don't care if we have to risk it, if we have to go and talk to Andy. If we have to talk to Andy, we have to do it now. We have to do it like right now. I don't care. Like now.
The only way I can forgive both of you and ask Sonia to forgive you too is that you agree that you will not interfere in our planned marriage. Not now, not later.
Wait, are you saying that you're still going to marry Sonia even after all?
Yes, I knew from minute one in that gym that she found me very attractive sexually. And I also sensed that she faked the ankle injury. I am neither a professional massager nor a bone setter. Yes, I had to play along with her game of seduction. And like her, I found her sexually attractive too. And then I wanted to have fun with her. Same in your case, Yvonne. I knew you stalked me for 4 days and then placed yourself where I can pick you up that day. I also knew that there was nothing wrong with your car. See, you, Tricia, and I saw the CCTV footage where you were bribing my gate man. And that was why I did not eat the pepper soup like you thought. It's not you. You see, both of you offered me yourselves cheaply and deceitfully. Well, yeah, poriously, cheaply and deceitfully. So, end of discussion. The attempt to prolong the discussion by scandalizing your friend before me is a waste of time.
So, you...
Listen, I have audio recordings of my encounter with you, videos inclusive. So any attempt to force my hand in any way, I will go the legal way. For your information, I fell deeply in love with Sonia after our initial meeting, and I have decided to make her my wife. So, stay off. Now, pick up your phones.
Thank you.
Pick your phones.
Thank you very much for forgiving us. Thank you. But I wanted to ask, why did you demand for our phone and then drop it on the floor after we have given it to you?
Because I know your type. A danger. So that you will not record whatever I was going to say. That was why I took the phones. Now, leave. Leave my presence. Let me marry who is a human being, not addicts. Get up. Up. And forward march.
To your bedroom.
Is there any other thing you can do? Hey man, Kisibata. Jaye is the order of the day. So let me tell you what you do. Go to the bedroom, move your clothes, open your legs, sawaba. I'm coming. Oyala. Get out of my house. Let me marry who is a human being. With your drug in nature.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Go salami. What an amazing. Okay. Ever what I know outside
I truly care for you.
Then with the boy up and down. Okay, Zuanike. Zoike ke bela roll ni si. Zoike amo.
If you check it and chat us, anyari ke now you look like a Broadway model. Yes, so many young ladies will cause the fate that made you Sonia instead of theirs. The moment you step your foot in the church on your wedding day.
You don't whine me.
Yes, now.
You don't whine me.
Yeah,
listen, my brother. Pray that day Tricia and Yvonne will not set their eyes on you. Yes. You know why? They will start a third world war on us. Because the way you are looking in this suit, like a first-class prince.
Really?
Now
Now wait first. Are those girls that desperate to settle down?
You see? Successful ladies are the goddesses of pretense in such thing. Listen, I have even walked in on them in 2 occasions, twice, voicing how deeply they want to get married, how deep they desire to get married to Sonia after her.
Really?
Well, the moment I appeared, they pretended like they were not talking. You know, they changed the topic.
One no if men.
But me as Omo Igbo, what is there? About me as Omo Igbo, as I did blow, me too pretended like I didn't hear anything.
An opportunity be this so. Then introduce my own part of the scheme to them through Sonia now without any further delay.
Easy does it. Collins, caution. Those ladies are no broke-ass bitches. No. They are successful, career-oriented, smart-ass bitches. Yes. So, be hasty with whatever you are doing with them and you will end up awakening their suspicion. Awaken their suspicion and we have another Erica on our hands.
Hello.
How are you?
It's just 3 weeks to your wedding. Sonia has spent millions in preparation for your wedding ever since both of you returned from the Obudu trip. Her excitement for the wedding is too hard to miss.
And about Israel, Alpha?
Are you not getting it?
Look at you. See, with girls like the squad, 5 minutes to the wedding is not too late to pull out of the wedding. Yes. If they suspect the kind of scam stunt we are pulling on them, then
Andy.
Be cautious, Budi.
Andy. Esabagomo. Esabagomo. Mwana asakwa. Ana masakwa.
Mana sasa na asakwa sana asasa.
Na asamo esatugo kwa.
Welu mmanya oku unyo obi oku na iburu ka oku tata. Imo no na mmemme na ebe obe. Ya ka udike ji nwonyi ma we.
Ejila amu eyi aku na egwu ama onye ebo.
Manu, boss ya.
O ga be very happy.
Ekwa mesi te mma ama abaji. Ndi na agbagugwu amagba tan. Ndi na agbadan da amagba.
I know you na my man.
Nga akwuru nekele su n'isi onwem na ala blend up na so mtufu eru mgba pass wele obi butu gba kwa na net.
Ya so much na tigbe mos. be wrong with me? I haven't vomited like this in a long time. Pregnancy? No. Andy. Oh my God. Wait. Jeez. Andy is the only man that I have had unprotected sex with in the last 11 months. Oh my God. Oh my God, this better not be happening. No. My period. I'm late. I'm late. Oh my God, no. This better not be happening, God. This better. Oh, no. No. Gosh. What? Andy, no, this better not be happening. No.
Hey girl, how are you? Hey, yeah.
Girl, what's up?
Guess.
What's up?
Guess what? Fly girl. Aw, what do you mean you're not in the mood? What's wrong with you?
I don't feel so good.
I'm sure you were fine. You know what? The party bride is...
Stop, I want to throw up.
Can you just stop for once? She said you should stop.
Sorry.
So, as I was saying, the party bridal shop just sent some pictures. I mean, they just uploaded some pictures on their website. New wedding dresses. And the problem I'm having right now is that I'm so confused on which to pick amongst the magnificent ones that were uploaded.
Yeah.
I and Trisha have been trying, but we couldn't, so we decided to come to you.
Yeah, me
so, take a look at this.
The gowns are so beautiful.
Not be your head. She says she wants to see that picture.
But seriously, the gowns are so beautiful and magnificent.
Thank you.
Like they look like they were not made on planet Earth. I like this one.
Which
What
one?
do you think? This one. I like this one.
Okay, well, they are. You know, you have the best eye for fashion, so we came to you so that you could make a pick, so I could send money to them, and then they start arrangement.
This is good.
But same one I like.
I don't like the split. It's a bit high.
What do you mean it's a bit high? That's exactly what I need. I need to show some skin. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. This one will be by the side. Being like,
I'll be by the side.
Doing what?
Okay. No. I don't think you should look sexy in any way that day. I think you shouldn't look so sexy. You know, this is a day that you should feel like a new one. But I actually think you should cover up. I mean, you're supposed to be like a new bride. There should be everything about you should be chaste, and like you should cover up. Wear like a turtleneck dress.
You should dress like a reverend father.
Nothing.
Is that what you want?
Auntie, make una 12 una.
Nothing
Waiting the way.
flamboyant.
No. What exactly is wrong with
Babe,
you
I'm supposed
right
to
now?
be like a virgin
How can
on
you
your
say
wedding
that?
day?
It's my wedding day. I'm supposed to look all fly and glamorous. And you're asking me to dress
you
like a
can be
reverend
glamorous,
sister.
but you don't have to be sexy. That's what I'm saying. Wear like a turtleneck dress. Look chaste.
See,
look
girls.
real. Look new for
You
your
see
husband.
these dresses I'm looking at right now is already making me feel like my wedding is just around the corner. My wedding is in 3 weeks and I am going to be looking so fly. Oh my goodness, this.
Can we talk about this later, or maybe check another site? I don't like any of the pictures.
Why? What's making you tired?
I don't know.
Smoke a little.
I don't want.
Smoke with me.
I'm here so that you girls can make you choose for me on my wedding dress. What's going on? You know this is no smoker. Which one be smoke? Are you smoking?
Stop! I'm not feeling. I wasn't throw up. Go.
Yes, it's my wedding we're talking about here.
Go.
with me
You
now.
smell of.
The text result is there, man.
Oh. So fast.
I told you to wait inside, that it doesn't take long to conclude.
Okay. Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
but I preferred waiting in our car. So, what's the result?
I haven't read it. Our MD, who personally conducted the text, gave it to me sealed and asked me to take it to you.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. Have a nice day.
No, but rightfully, what you should do is just allow me have your card. Let me go on this trip and just enjoy myself. You ought to spend the whole money on me.
Of course, I know, but hey, it's my money I'm going to spend, so I am going to tell you where you will go.
Okay, but I am your girlfriend. If I have your card and have your PIN, it doesn't make...
Hello.
Yvonne, did the doctor say there will be no need for them to admit you in the hospital for proper treatment of the typhoid fever that was behind the vomiting as we earlier agreed today? Oh, sorry. They gave you curative drugs and asked you to go home?
No, honey, listen. She doesn't need all these questions. All right? Just take her to the guest room. Take her to the guest room. She came obviously for we to take care of her. Why she take her drug?
Hey. Please, you guys, just tone it down a bit. Can you both stop assuming and talking for me and listen to the reason I am here?
Assuming?
Yes, and wrongly too. I do not have typhoid fever like Sonia here assumed while in the house, and you're still assuming here. Anyway, I don't blame you. The doctor said so. I don't have typhoid. I know what is wrong with me, and if you listen, you would get to know why I am here.
Okay.
So I do not need anyone to take me to the guest room, and I don't need anyone to take care of me. Please.
Okay, calm down a little bit, Yvonne. Your tone sounds quite unfriendly. What happened?
This happened.
Listen, maybe you should just go ahead and...
Here. In here, you'll see the reason why I've been feeling the way I feel. Every answer you need is right there.
You're pregnant?
6 weeks gone.
Wow.
Yes, and I haven't had unprotected sex with any other man besides him in 11 months.
You are...
Aside...
Him.
I need to...
Baby. Andy, baby.
Oh my... What is the problem?
Andy, baby.
Can't you be modest for once? Eh? What's the problem?
Oh, the squad is here. Perfect opportunity to announce my news.
What news are you talking about exactly?
Andy is going to be a daddy to another baby.
My baby.
Hold on.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait. Am I quit smoking? All right. The test results. If you both are in doubt.
Hey, listen, it is obvious that both of you planned this. Obviously, both of you planned this.
Bit of who?
Trisha. Yvonne here claims to be pregnant for Andy. Trisha. I am getting married to this man in less than 3 weeks. Can somebody tell me what you bitches are talking about? Can someone just speak up, please?
Really? Really? Wow. You know, that's an ugly coincidence. Sonia, I'm just going to pretend that she didn't call me a bitch.
Exactly. Same thing my doctor said. That my baby doesn't want stress or anger issues. So because of that, I'll just do anything for my little bun here and ignore. I refuse to be provoked by you.
Oh, God, what is this? What is this? What do you girls want from me? I need wink and at me on. Wait. What's the problem? Tricia and Yvonne, what do you want from me? What's the problem?
Well, I do not know about Tricia, but for me, I'm just here to get my own engagement ring from you. Here and now, like here.
You don't need to worry about I've ordered it. They're delivering it. Just insert it in my finger.
And if I say no? What if I say no?
It's not a problem. It's not a problem, baby. You're just gonna have like 3 abortions, or you have like 3 children out of wedlock. Because God forbid, over my dead body, are you going to marry Sonia or Yvonne without getting married to me?
3 of us or nothing. I agree. I totally agree, girl.
Hey.
Oh gosh, I need to smoke.
I want the smoke too. Hey, but it's not good for us.
How dare you? No, I'll stop smoking.
How dare you? Okay, I'll smoke too for today. After today,
I'll stop smoking tomorrow.
I'll stop smoking tomorrow, baby. I'm loving my bone already.
You girls are bastards and I hate you, baby. I hate you.
Baby doesn't need to stop.
Don't touch me. I don't need the negative energy. Do not touch me.
Come touch.
Baby, please make sure that they're okay. Oh my God.
It's your daddy.
Where are you going that you're here?
Our baby daddy's house.
Wait a minute. What's going on here? What are you girls doing here?
Hey, Mama, we're moving into our baby daddy's house just like he did.
Get that filter thing off my face.
Okay, so please, who is going to show me?
Can you just stop this nonsense? Would you tell them to get their filthy self out of this house?
What is the meaning of this? How can you just barge into this house and then be talking rubbish? Huh?
Yes, so I'm here. Can you show me to my room, or you want me to find my room myself?
I want to show you your room. Your room.
I
Yeah?
want the masters.
Listen, go outside. That's a house by the left. Okay. Share it with the gate man. That's your room.
You joker. And see, may nobody try to stop me again.
See, listen,
nobody should.
I would not have this in this house. Andy, for goodness sake, tell this nitwit to get out of this house. Now.
Try it now. Try to stop me and you will see if all of us will not end up in court.
Yeah.
Please, where is my room? I think I'll take the one upstairs. And for your information, if anybody should try to stop me again, nonsense. See, the same way you are pregnant for him is the same way I am pregnant for him, and the same way he's pregnant for him. So don't even try. Wait till they try claim. They try claim Madam I've been waiting. Try him now. Try it. Try it.
I want the master.
Stop me again. I beg, please. Nobody should stop you. Nobody should try to stop me in this house. Let me go and look for a room upstairs. Come, let's go.
What she says.
What is this? How dare you? How dare you?
Okay, so come on in. You know, you can actually join us in bed. We don't mind having you and Sonia in bed with us. We can share, right, baby?
Yeah, what she said. And you know, Andy has the final say in whomever he wants to make love with. Whenever you're in the mood, baby.
Honey. Please. I hope you are not going to let what happened outside slide so easily. With the excuse that you don't want your madness to escalate into full-blown scandal because they threatened to take you to court, especially that nitwit. and let this outrageous outfront continue here. Throw them out of this room right now, or you would not let
what? Sonia, or what? Why do you always feel like you're part of the high and mighty ones that make decisions everywhere? What makes you feel that you have the right to decide who stays in this house and who goes? You're in love with him, right? The same way you are in love with him is the same way we are in love with him. So get that into your thick skull.
What she
you
said.
You fool.
What she said. You are pregnant for him. We are pregnant for him.
That's right.
We want to marry him. We want to marry him.
That's
So
right.
shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
And let King Solomon make his final decision and have peace. So our king, who do you want to have your first go at? Is it me?
Me though.
You are mad!
You are mad.
Did it?
In fact, the two of you are mad.
We are mad.
And you know what? Crazy people know they stay this house. Mad people don't belong here. They belong to the lunatic asylum. You are going to leave this house willingly or unwillingly.
What's the problem?
You want my I was in teacher day. I was in teacher day. What is this?
I will kill you, problem.
Thunder fire all of you guys. Thunder. Allah Babu, Iku one by one.
She keeps making that. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Who do you think?
F.O. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you.
Are you cursed? Are you under evil spell? What were you thinking when we were indulging them?
Collins, those bitches drugged me. They drugged me.
Please tell that to some naive idiots and not me. Andy, don't even dare try to lie to me. Yes, I'm a liar like you. You're a master liar, and I'm a master liar too.
Listen, Collins, Butu. See, Collins, Butu. See, as we talk, those desperate bitches are in Osondo's room fighting dirty. My brother, I came so that you control this situation. Otherwise, it will just blow out of proportion and then spoil the reason I got into this racket. Please, advise me on what to do.
You want me, Collins, to tell you what to do? You actually came to me for advice. All right.
You're my friend, Collins.
Let me advise you. Andy, go to hell and burn to ashes. That's my
No, Collins. Jesus. You hit me?
No, I romanced you. You're lucky I don't have gun with me here. I would have blown off your Benz. You son of a bitch. You greedy dog. You beat me in my back. After we had a deal, you went and slept with 3 girls. You protected my chances of having one of them as a wife. And you still came to me for advice. Are you mad? In Apala, in fact, Apamugidia, Onyembu.
Collins, rapu go. I'm going to express go be now. One-on-one day game. I'm going to roll. I got a draw. Rap can against a ligum. They come well, when you bona das, you body idea mapped from a cookie, but in any mass or in a sea somewhere.
F.O. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my body. My body. One letter, 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 one letter. One letter, one letter, one letter.
Thank you. There's fire on the mountain. There's fire on the mountain.
Oh, sweetie, I could just help you cut it. Like, I could cut it for you.
Trisha, please.
Please. This knife wants blood.
Yvonne,
So you're leaving Andy?
Yvonne, Trisha.
One.
Trisha.
2, you will leave Andy.
Please. Yes.
3, you will leave Andy.
No.
Trisha.
9.
Stop this! Stop it!
Let me alone.
Leave this knife. I'm going to drop this knife. Come. Or one day. Please. Hey, touch it, I'll match you now, Tonton. Are you mad? Let me choke you first. If I choke you this knife. Look at this.
She dies. She dies.
Oh yeah. Both of you, get out from there.
Get out from where?
What is the meaning of this? Honey, sorry, okay? Eh? Come here. Amosu. Stupid idiots.
Joker.
Look at you. Look at what you've done to your friend. In my bedroom, in my house.
But babe, this is not just your bedroom. This is our bedroom. This is the bedroom of the father of the babies in our rooms, right?
Yes, what she said. By right, this house and bedroom is owned by the mothers of your babies. So as the father of the babies of these pregnant ladies, Andy, my darling, get that into your skull, into your thick brain, and start treating us equally. Now treat us the way you treat this trash, or else you shall know no peace. You shall see no peace. Violence is all you're gonna see. Peace.
If
Violence.
And let it be known that this is just the beginning of your troubles. Listen, even if you want to take it to the police or you want to take it to court, we are ready to follow you to the end, and we will deal with you till the very end. Besides that, and then talking about social media, you know how we run it now. Okay? We go drag you like generator. That remaining reputation that you think you have will just go down in shambles. So you better want this thing. Want her to stop claiming you to herself. She better agrees for you to marry the 3 of us on the same day. Same wedding, same church, same reception, same food, same cake. All of us.
Don't be ridiculous. Don't be silly. How is it possible that I will marry 3 of you at the same time, the same day?
Make it possible, or else you and Sonia will never be husband and wife.
Is that a threat?
Oh, it's a promise.
No, it's a promise. Or else you drop dead.
Yes, please, just...
You what?
Eh?
You what?
Please just
What's this one?
Sorry, you be fine.
Hey, Shita.
Just take me to the hospital. I'm tired. You've been beating me since.
Okay, phone now. Yeah, if your hand will touch you guys.
This one is just the beginning. It's just the beginning.
Deal with it.
See, if you want to stop crying like this, just agree.
Shame!
You will marry me.
Maria, they are so
You will marry me, uncle. You don't marry me. Finish.
Sonia, accept the 2 of us and we'll all live happily. Oh yeah, let's start.
Second wife, me. I'm taking second wife. I
Oh,
want
as
second
long as
wife.
I'm in this house, if you like, give me 10th wife. Arrange.
Arrange. I'm not doing any house chores in this house.
Okay.
We need to, get like a...
F.O. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my body. My body. One letter, one letter, one letter, one letter, one letter, one letter.
So.
Did Andy go out?
He has not come back since he drove out with you, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes. Is he not the one who dropped you outside the gate?
If he was the one who dropped me outside the gate, why will I be asking you about him? Do I look like a mad person to you?
Sorry, ma.
Sorry for your stupid generation. Please get out of my sight. Idiot, asking me stupid questions.
Hey. And don't you think that you are directing your frustrations at the wrong person?
You know, the last thing I want to see right now is you two witches.
Oh, leader of the witch coven, right? You know, we have now become your shadow. As long as you're with Andy or you're in this house, we are always going to be with you.
With you, honey.
So you either live with it or you drop
Dead. Right now.
For this matter, now you are sorry for pass. Other people, they take Igbo, they get inspiration. You take Igbo and become useless to yourself. And you are not ashamed. Oh, please get out of my...
Hey, wait. Oh, okay, yeah, I get it. Like, I get it right now. Sissy, can I ask you a question, please? Where is the man that took you? Oh, I can see. He dumped her at the hospital. He left you there and went his way, right?
Very funny. Really, really funny. But listen, you two. I don't know what you are driving at. But I am going to make this clear right now. You are nowhere near victory. I mean, this close to victory with whatever dirty games you're playing with Andy and I for whatever crazy reasons.
Okay.
You came here with no shame. No shame at all. But by the time we are done with you two, of course, you will leave here covered with trailer loads of shame.
You know, there is no we as long as you and Andy is concerned.
She doesn't know.
He abandoned you in the hospital. Oh, you're
Abandoned
alone.
one.
You're alone. Oh. You know, this is the beginning. The beginning of him calling your bluff. You either embrace our proposal or you don't want another or you don't want another
You know what, Trisha?
I'm good.
Keep dreaming. After all, it's free to dream. Okay? Dream on. See us then.
You need to wake up, right? You need to wake
I
up.
feel heavenly.
Abandoned, yeah. They abandoned you in the
I
hospital.
feel heavenly.
Man, where carry you go hospital, leave you for hospital, run. Look at her. The abandoned one. Where's she going?
I feel heavenly.
Like she doesn't want to get it. She was abandoned. This girl is such a loser.
She's a witch.
Hey, druggie, come in here before I lock you outside.
Where am I headed to, for God's sake? The staff told me that she waited for me for over an hour after she was attended to by the doctor, and then left telling them nothing about where she is headed to. Do I need a soothsayer to tell me where she is headed to and her mood right now? She headed to my house, of course, and she must be very mad at me for literally abandoning her at the hospital and equally switching off my phones on her. Do I also need to second guess what further trouble awaits me from her and her bitchy friends if I dare go back home now? No, I can't go back home now. can't even switch my phone on now. Yes, I left her at the hospital and switched off my phones in the first place to enable me move to a quiet place and think. Think of a way out of this quagmire for me. More than 3 hours of doing just that and I still have no clue on what to do. I need to think more now and not head home. I need a very calm place to do that, and God knows that I'm going nowhere near to that house or switching my phones on till I make up my mind on how to proceed with them without burning all my cables and ending up a loser in the end. God forbid. I can't let that happen. Collins. Hell no. That one will set me ablaze if I go anywhere near him again today. He is too angry with me at the moment. Let me first find a way to handle this crisis alone first. I will handle his side later. God, please help me.
Can you guys just stop this and sit? I called you people for what? Oh,
We are going to sit with you now.
Let's stay. Let's stay by the side.
come, what is the meaning of this? What is, can you stop?
No, I'm not stopping. Are you not, man?
Sit.
See what?
Sit.
The other leg.
Why are you pushing me now?
Sit down now.
Jesus.
The other leg.
Go. Sit down. Listen to me for once. I'm man of this house. My mom, what kind of nonsense is this? Sit down and listen to me. For the first time, I called a meeting for all of us to talk.
Oh, you called us for a meeting? Oh, that's great then. I'm sitting and listening to you, my darling.
And you think I'm going to sit on the same seat with you, idiot?
Who wants you to sit here? As long as you're not sitting there, that's fine by me. But once you sit with him, I'll sit with him too.
Thank you. While I was receiving treatment at the hospital, I started wondering, and I thought of everything that happens here in my house between you and I had to take a decision.
Oh, and I guess that decision is to throw this nitwit out of our home.
This girl's still a
Madam, why are
dream.
you so stingy with this penis?
stupid, yeah.
Why stingy coco?
You know she's such a joker.
Why are you becoming a stingy coco? Sonia. Why? Penis made you this stingy?
You want to know why? I am the stingy with this penis. Now let me make it clear to you, you baby bitch.